Python linked list. What's the easiest way to use a linked list in Python? In Scheme, a linked list is defined simply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Python's lists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tuples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are not, in fact, linked lists, and linked lists have some nice properties such as constant time concatenation, and being able to reference separate parts of them. Make them immutable and they are really easy to work with.
Here is some list functions based on Martin v. Lois's representation. Where W equals sys.stout.right. Although doubly linked lists are famously used in Raymond Hettinger's ordered set recipe, singly linked lists have no practical value in Python. I've never used a singly linked list in Python for any problem except educational. Thomas Watnettle suggested a good educational resource, How to Think Like a Computer Scientist, Chapter 17, Linked Lists. A linked list is either the empty list, represented by none, or a node that contains a cargo object and a reference to a linked list.
For some needs, a deck may also be useful. You can add and remove items on both ends of a deck at a one cost.
I wrote this up the other day.
The accepted answer is rather complicated. Here is a more standard design. It is a simple linked list class based on the straightforward C++ design and Chapter 17, Linked Lists, as recommended by Thomas Watnettle.
Видео на 10 уровень при асинхронизации